Kardom Nilimonjerong Pipi Pinibirta Arjuponikta.
All Party Hills Leader Conference sa Hemalong Ipechol si atumpen kidamtang Nagaland pen KARBI ANGLONG ahoy khanbos ti along katharlia pathak phirang kiamai ing nipon. Laki Nagaland pen KARBI ANGLONG border khanbos ti along eviction naga pen KARBI chihing nonang nipo pathaksi ing nipon. Under paragraph 20 teng puluti inglong aso kalia tuman ki encroacher ang selupusi epechol si amai phujai kathara hin pen ningjepon. Lapen ki kidam tang parosir kebra thong kebra ner keba phi kewang inglong aso kalia tuman ke encroacher ang selupusipu lasi halotuma phan eviction paprang nang ji pusipu lapen nagata bang KARBI ANGLONG along kidu naga chot pupelo kuki tame garo tame inglong aso tribal atuman ke siksedel ajakong ki ilitum pen ke chingbar chitlopusi ningje pon lasik KARBI ANGLONG arlo kidu naga tumhan evicted mate karpong ke chokchelo ako jongsi eviction claim pulo tangte lapen along le jongsi nangwek pu pulo tangte inglong aso tribal tumphan aki me phansi ke nangwek pu pulo tangte eviction tame pusi ningje pon lapen eviction claim clear prang rehabilitation bang claim pa prang nang jipusi ningje pon athe supreme court along ta kipudo pusipu athe inglong aso tribal tumphan eviction thaplong le order ki pitang do judgment pgr egr government along le long pen ta lopusi ningje pon jongsi KAC pen ame thangsi chisilam lo pulo tangte KAC chairman si signature chipinang jipusi pusita KAC chairman a signature avi pusipu halada kedo ke SK data chief secretary of Assam pusi ketok laso alo ke 60 arona tengpen claim click pusi ningje pon
for your
news text
coming
report
here
KARBI ANGLONG
on
news.
our request. We have submitted a memorandum in a letter form to the Chief Executive Member of KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council. Our points of demand or our opinions are like this. Number one, this is regarding eviction along Nagaland KARBI ANGLONG border on consideration of religious communities and on tribes is unconstitutional and will lead to killings among tribes people. We apprehend that there might be killings among the tribes people. So we request the government to take action on the line we are setting down here. The APHLC is not against evicting encroachers anywhere in the three hills districts of KARBI ANGLONG, West KARBI ANGLONG and Dimahasao, which are governed by the mini constitution, the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India. We demand that all encroachers who are not scheduled tribes or tribes but are unconstitutionally occupying lands meant for scheduled tribes and tribes people must be evicted under paragraph 20 of the 6th schedule. Number 2, we oppose eviction of people belonging to any tribes of the Nagas or any hill tribes from anywhere in KARBI ANGLONG and West KARBI ANGLONG districts without proper and prior rehabilitation in KARBI ANGLONG. If the land is not actually needed for direct welfare of the tribes people. The Supreme Court also cautions against eviction of scheduled tribes.
Thang thang ni phai ke thomani ada por bhai sir kep malom diphuman jaka chelenga towar lakhaisi dilaji along akimi jangthu ke thaidim kangpupon Nayara company pen Hemphu Energy Station CEM Dr. Tuliram Rong hangari deng pen ingpupon lo Bangso Kangpo Mailong, MLA Bidia Singingleng, Rup Singh Teron, Jinfit Board Chairman, Johnny Timung, Agriculture Board Chairman, Agustin Kramsa, XEM, Kuntila Ronghang Piatum, Chetongdun. Pinpur Ponmi, Diporong Sopialong, Nonjang Tuketayadim, Longplian, Dolo. News Text Report, KARBI ANGLONG News. Thang ni phai ke thomani West KARBI ANGLONG Wiku Langsun picnic spot along Ingding Pho Hamren Business Association Mahang ke thekani Katalon Pon Labang so mailong koson si ili KARBI atum beha bepar keklem pon thekjima puhai huyalam chithan chimum pon Labang so mailong HBA General Secretary Babu Phura SYF AAMA KSA President Secretary atum Chetongdon si Ingsam Jinpen Mai Pachun Ponlong Hamren Pen Serong Kirongphar KARBI ANGLONG News